Hello, quick disclaimer, this video actually has a lot of curse words, so please click off if you are scared by curse words. And also, everything I say in this video is satire, so not anything to heart. Thank you for listening. It's all said and done, enjoy. Stop looking at me, I don't want it. Get away from me. No. No. Yes, no. Get away! I want the taser. I will kill you. Oh. Don't worry, guys. I got this. Oh yay! Yeah! I did it. I'm just the proest. I am the proest. Wait. Okay, yes, fuck off. Fuck off. Fuck off. Fuck off. Shit scared me. What? He deserved it. No! I don't want it. Get away from me. No! Move your big ass fucking forehead. Wait. You're not like the last one, huh? Don't you fucking dare start fucking whistle. I will come down and whip your ass. No, 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 no. 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 Stay away. I'm not giving you coffee. Really deserve it, dumbass. You look more creepier than the pretense itself. You should get, like, checked yourself. I don't like that guy. Okay. I'm not falling it. I'm not falling for it. Okay. You're okay. I didn't do that. I didn't do that. Not my fault. Stop looking at me. Oh, look at that. Stop. Cornball. No, my job. Go do like other shit. This is my job. You're interfering. I don't like you. Okay. Anyways, the coffee. I need coffee. I need that coffee. I need the taser. Give me. I will kill you. What? Yeah, you need to get checked out. I'm sorry. What's happy? Get away. It's scary. Wait a minute. Okay, the stalker is not here. Wait, does that mean I'll get access to the fucking taser? I will kill you. I will absolutely murder you. Yes, you. I will kill you. JK. Lol. Get away! Damn, why is he kinda... Go away! I want the taser. He didn't give me this fucking taser yet. I need it. Get away! Yes, go away. No. Go away! Absolutely not. I will not let you in. Go fuck off. Do some other shit. I don't give a fuck. Anyways. It's not. Tough. You're tough. I like you. Are you backshotting me? Never mind. He's kissing the fucking guy. Wait. Okay, good. Funny. Ball. It's not like I'm gonna like hurt you or anything. I'm not a tsundere, whatever you call it. Sigh. Big ass sigh. Here. Okay, you're good. Don't you do anything? Okay. Fuck off. Wait. Surgery? Please no. Thank you for watching. This is the credits, okay? If you want, you can click off.